In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into a WordPress page using Elementor. We're going to walk through this in a simple, practical way so you can place your form directly onto your website and make it available to visitors without needing any complicated setup. This is a great option if you want your audience to complete a survey, contact form, registration form, or questionnaire without leaving your page. To begin, open Typeform and go to the form you want to add to your site. Once you're inside the form, find the Share option. This is where Typeform gives you different ways to distribute or embed your form. In the sharing area, look for the standard embed code, then copy that code carefully. This snippet is what allows your WordPress page to display the form properly. Make sure you copy the full embed code so nothing is missing when you paste it later. Next, go to WordPress and open the page where you want the form to appear. Edit that page with Elementor. If you already know exactly where the form should go, that will make placement easier, but you can also decide once you're inside the editor. Elementor gives you a visual layout, so it's easy to see where the form will be added on the page. Once Elementor is open, use the search bar in the Widgets panel and search for the HTML widget. When it appears, drag it into the section of the page where you want the Typeform to be displayed. This widget is important because it allows you to paste custom embed code directly into the page without changing your theme files or using extra plugins. Now click into the HTML widget and paste the Typeform snippet into the HTML code box. After pasting, take a moment to check that the code looks complete and hasn't been accidentally altered. Even a small change can prevent the form from loading correctly, so it's worth being careful here. When everything looks good, save your changes in Elementor and then publish the page. After publishing, open the live version of the page and confirm that the Typeform is displaying properly. If needed, give the page a moment to load fully, since embedded content can sometimes take an extra second to appear. That's it. Your Typeform is now embedded on your WordPress page using Elementor, and visitors can interact with it directly from your site.